Hey guys, and welcome back to the Yo B1 channel. It's your girl Yo, and I know it has been a while. Well guys, I have been working diligently, very hard, just for you. And a dream that I've had for a very long time. I've, seen so many companies come out with palettes and things like that. And every time I see it, I'm like, man, I want to have my own palette. And so I just stepped out on faith. I trusted God. And I'm so proud to say that through prayers, sweat, and a lot of tears, we made it happen. And I'm happy to introduce my palette, the Metamorphosis palette by my company, Born Beautiful Cosmetics, Fearfully and Wonderfully Made, LLC. I'm so proud of this palette. It's vibrant, it's pigmented, it is the big pods that I like. I love the big pods. And so without further ado, let me show you guys. This is the Metamorphosis palette. You have shimmers and mattes in this palette. It's very vibrant, very colorful. The pigments are great. If you're not following us on Instagram to see these colors in action, please go do it. This morning I was rushing, and so I didn't get a chance to do any eyeshadow, but this is what my palette is working with. Let you get a glimpse of it. I know the angles are probably off, but I will definitely post pictures somewhere, maybe right here, to show you what this palette looks like. It's gorgeous, and there's no way that I could come out with a palette and not do a giveaway. Yes, it's a giveaway. It's a giveaway. And what you're getting in this giveaway, of course, you're going to get one of my Metamorphosis palettes. You're going to get, it's two things, but it's a good two things. You're going to get the Metamorphosis palette, and you're going to get a ring light, especially for those of you who are going live, who are recording videos, even trying to take good pictures. I'm going to give you a ring light. I'm actually going to send it directly to you when I order it. So when I announce the winners, I'll need you to send me your address and everything. But yes, I'm going to include a ring light in this giveaway, because there's nothing worse than bad lighting when you're trying to take a picture or when you're going live or recording videos. You want to have good light. And the only things you have to do to be eligible for this giveaway, first you have to be, subscribe to the Yo B1 channel. I want you to go and follow Born Beautiful Cosmetics on Instagram, and I want you to sign up on my Dosh through the link that I provide below. Now, what is Dosh? I learned about Dosh from another YouTuber on here who did it, and it's an awesome app. Like, when you shop at different places, it's completely legit. When you shop at different places and have a list, like, it's a whole bunch of places that that's listed on there, and it'll tell you what percentage of your money it's going to give you back. And so let's say I go to Sam's and I spend X amount of dollars. As soon as I check out, but before I get to my car, it's telling me you've gotten $2.50 back from your purchase. And who doesn't like to get money back when they're spending money? I know I love to shop, and I also love to get money back. So if you sign up through my app, I get a referral fee, and you also get a fee for signing up through mine. And once you sign up, you can also start referring people, in which they'll give you money back for referring people. And so again, let me recap what you have to do. You have to be subscribed to the Yo B1 channel. You have to go and like Born Beautiful Cosmetics, or follow Born Beautiful Cosmetics on Instagram, and you have to sign up through the Dosh app, which I'm going to put all the links down below. Very, very simple. All the links down below for you to do this. And this is a short giveaway, because I want to do it really fast. And so by January before January the 1st gets here. So New Year's, you need to be signed up. Okay, guys, so the last couple of things is I want you to also share this video. And when you've done all the things that I told you to be eligible in, which I will list them down below also, just write done at the bottom, because I'll get a notification to my Dosh telling me that whoever has use my referral link to sign up for Dosh, it's going to ask you to link a card to it, like a debit card or a credit card, which again is legit, because I know things like that can be kind of shady, but I've had this app for a while and I know that it works, and I know that it's legit. You can Google it and everything to get reviews on it. So make sure you link a card and you sign up through the link that I send you, and make sure that you share the video and comment done at the bottom once you complete everything that you have to do, and you could be the winners of the Metamorphosis palette and a new ring light. All right, guys, I've missed you so much, and I cannot wait to start back doing videos again, in which I will, because I want to showcase my palette and show you everything that it has to offer. It's your B1, and we're back, baby.